In this short video, we are going to know the Bengali tongue twister. So, are you ready for that? Okay, let's begin. So, this tongue twister is cha 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 chai, chachi che chai, cha chorate china chachi, chochori chorai. Have you got? Okay, what will be? Cha 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 chai, chachi che chai, cha chorate china chachi, chochori chorai. Okay, let's take a challenge. We can say how many times. If you can say 10 times, you can let me know in the comments below. It will be better for me, and I can also take inspiration from your side, and I'll be trying to say it more than you, so that I can be able to make me perfect. Okay. So first of all, I would like to try. Can I say 5 times or not? Cha 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 the China cha 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 the China cha 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 the China cha 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 the China cha 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 the China cha 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 the China cha cha cha. Oh my goodness, I'm able to say 6 times in a breath. So let me know how many times you can say in a breath. Is it 10 times or 15 or something like 20? So I think you have enjoyed this video. So if you think this video is really helpful for you, definitely subscribe our channel and keep watching our videos so that you can be understanding something special. So thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.